the Shrewsbury station here with its clock, and we've just come out the exit into the town centre by the castle. This is the view from Laura's Tower, looking down over Shrewsbury town with the railway here in Shropshire in England. And down there in between the trees you can just about make out the river underneath the railway bridge. And that's the view from Laura's Tower in Shropshire. This is Laura's Tower. I'll show you the staircase here. Yeah, Church. You're in Church Street. It's an Alchemist church spire. Exploring the cobbled streets of Shrewsbury. Tudor house, still got the wooden pins holding the planks together.